Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some mini coconut bake in oven. These are absolutely delicious, quick and easy. Not to worry, everything that I'm using will be in the description box. Let's jump right into this video. To my flour, I'm adding some cinnamon. That is grated cinnamon and some grated nutmeg, some sugar and salt. And we are going to whisk this together. And then we are going in with our room temperature butter. Yeast and baking powder, and of course our grated coconut. And this is freshly grated coconut, guys. Now we're going to add our water and mix into a dough. As I mentioned, everything will be in the description box. So I did spray some olive oil spray on my baking sheet, and I'm going ahead here and flour my work surface. I did cut my dough in half after I let it sit for about 30 minutes, so it is actually manageable. You can roll this out to how thick or how thin you want your bakes to be, and then you cut them in your desired shapes, and I'm going with round here. Alright, this is, I have 2, 4, 6, 8. I have, this actually gave me about 12 mini bakes. And you bake in a 350 degrees oven until they're golden brown, look like this. Then you're going to add some butter right over the top when they're done. This looks absolutely amazing, and I just can't wait for you guys to make them. I'll also leave the link to the rest of my amazing pot bakes in the description box. You can see there, that was the whole wheat pot bake, super amazing. So yes, I do hope you guys enjoy this, but for me this was, even with some scrambled eggs, you can eat this with just about anything you want to, and it is very, very delicious. So thank you all again for spending the time with me today. It has been a pleasure. If you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Share this video, drop me a comment, and thank you guys once again. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye-bye now.